Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Here's the second part of the acai smoothie bowl guide, focusing on variations, toppings and simple ways to make your bowl more nutritious. If you spend any time on Instagram or TikTok, you have probably seen a bright purple bowl topped with perfect rows of fruit and granola. That pretty breakfast is an acai smoothie bowl, and it looks just as good in real life as it does on your feed. An acai smoothie bowl is thick, cold, and creamy, almost like soft-serve ice cream. It is popular in healthy cafes because it hits all the marks at once: rich color, fresh fruit, fun toppings, and solid nutrition. The good news is that you can make the same kind of bowl at home. This guide will show you how to pick ingredients, blend a thick base, and layer toppings so you can enjoy it for breakfast, a snack, or a light dessert. What is an acai smoothie bowl and why is it so popular? The acai smoothie bowl trend did not come out of nowhere. It grew from juice bars in Brazil, then spread to surf towns, then to big city cafes, and finally into home kitchens. People loved the deep purple color, the fresh fruit, and the fact that it felt like dessert but counted as breakfast. At its core, an acai bowl is a thick smoothie served in a bowl and eaten with a spoon. It uses acai berries as the main flavor and color, then adds frozen fruit to make it creamy. The texture is thicker than a drinkable smoothie, closer to sorbet. On top, you add fresh fruit, granola, nuts, seeds, and other crunchy bits. Every bowl can look and taste a little different. A big part of the hype comes from how high impact it looks in photos. The contrast between the dark base and the bright toppings is striking. At the same time, the ingredients feel clean and simple. When people learn they can build one at home with a blender, a few frozen fruits, and some pantry toppings, it suddenly feels like an easy upgrade to their usual breakfast routine. A quick intro to acai berries and acai smoothie bowls. Acai berries are small, dark purple berries that grow on palm trees in the Amazon rainforest. They spoil fast, so almost no one outside that area eats them fresh. Instead, stores sell acai as frozen puree packets or as a dry powder. A classic acai smoothie bowl starts with that puree or powder, blended with frozen fruit and a splash of liquid. The blend should be thick enough that a spoon stands up in it. That is the main difference between an acai bowl and a regular smoothie. You drink a smoothie, but you eat an acai bowl with a spoon. On top of the base, you add fruit and crunchy toppings. Think sliced banana, berries, granola, coconut, nuts, or seeds. The toppings add flavor, texture, and color, and they turn a simple blend into a full meal. Health benefits and nutrition in a basic acai bowl. Acai berries are known for their deep color, which comes from plant compounds called antioxidants. These act as antioxidants, which help your body handle everyday stress from things like pollution and sunlight. Acai also has a small amount of fiber and healthy fats. A basic acai smoothie bowl made with frozen fruit can give you fiber, vitamins, and natural sweetness. When you add toppings like nuts, seeds, or nut butter, you also get healthy fats and some protein, which can help you stay full longer. There is one catch. Toppings and extra sweetness can pile on sugar and calories fast. Sweetened juices, sugary granola, syrups, and large amounts of honey can turn a light breakfast into something more like dessert. For a balanced bowl, stick to whole fruit, unsweetened milk, and simple toppings like plain granola, nuts, and seeds. That way you keep the fun and flavor, without going overboard. Vertical bar. This wraps up the video, giving you everything you need to create your own acai smoothie bowls anytime. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.